Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on this channel we do tips and tricks for shopping online as well as tech gear reviews. And today we're going to jump into a small tutorial on how to use the Samsung Q2U in USB mode as a microphone to record voiceovers. You could do ads, anything like that, as well as voiceover for your YouTube videos. Also, we're going to be showing you how to use this microphone for your Zoom meetings, right? Right now, I'm using this one in the XLR mode. It's passing through my mixer, and the mixer is hooked directly into my camera, Sony a6100. Yes, so I'm going to talk through the process with you here, and we're going to go over to the computer where you can see how this can be done. So let's jump into it. So first of all, you plug your microphone into the USB of the computer. Now that we have Audacity open, you're looking for the mic symbol in Audacity, which is right above the timeline, and you switch to Samsung Q2U, and you look for the speaker side of it if you want to be able to hear as well. If you want to hear what you're recording, you look for Samsung Q2U by the speaker side, and you choose Samsung Q2U. Now, if you just hit record, it would start recording a stereo track, which when recording voiceovers, we don't want stereo tracks for voiceovers. We want mono tracks for voiceovers. They're easier to manipulate, they're easier to work with, and things like that. Because sometimes in a stereo track, one side might be louder than the other. When you put it out there, people are going to hear it kind of funny, kind of weird in their cars or in their earphones, headphones. So what you're going to do is go to tracks to the top, add new track, add a mono track, and there's the mono track, and then we simply hit record. And so now that we're recording on the Samsung Q2U in USB mode, and this is it running right here. This is it. So, and there's also a volume knob on the computer right on the screen here where you could carry up the volume a bit for the Samsung Q2U on the screen, or you could drop it down very, very low, or we could raise it back up for the mic. Yeah, so as you would have heard it peak just now, of course you don't want peaking audio. So that's it. Now we're going to try out a Zoom meeting to see how it works out for Zoom. So I'm switching back over to the XLR mic so I could walk you through the process of saving this file. It's very simple. You go here, you click File, don't save project. You're going to save, unless you're going to go back to that project to do some work, then you save project. Other than that, you go to export. You export in either MP3, WAV. WAV is better quality. It is also bigger files. Also, if you're going to be uploading a podcast, you want to use MP3. But you're going to use WAV for this because this is going to be edited into my video. So you're going to use WAV. Choose your destination. I have my desktop. So Q2U USB test. Alright. Save. They'll ask you all this. You don't need to add in any of this. This is like the metadata that goes into files. If you're going to be sharing files publicly, this will come up and read on other people's devices. So, okay. Right. That's saved. So let's head across to Zoom. Go to Audacity. Save project. No, we don't want to save the project. Okay, so let's head across to Zoom. And I recorded this part of the video, but I forgot to press record on the Zoom conversation, so I had to do it over. So this is me doing it over very quickly. So we're looking at new meeting, and so what we're gonna do is to check the mic here. You're gonna come in here. Once your USB mic is plugged into your laptop, you're gonna see it come up here as one of the mic options. If your USB mic has the facility to accommodate a headphone, you would want to use the speaker as the mic as well. If you use the speaker as the mic as well, you'll be able to put on the headphone and hear the conversation. If it does not accommodate a headphone, then I guess you'll have to use the speakers of whatever device you're using. Or if you could put the headphone jack, the 3.5mm cable into whatever device it may be, then you would use that, right? You probably use built-in output or internal speakers, right? Right, so I'm on camera. As you would see, this is the headphone jack, this is the USB cable for the mic, and now we await the other participant for the video. Yes, that's the laptop fan you're probably hearing there. I don't know if you're hearing it through the mic, but the mic is extremely close obviously to the laptop, so you would get that. Alright, there she is.
Hi, Dad.
Hey. So just checking to make sure you're hearing me clearly.
Quite clearly.
Okay, do you want to put on your camera or no?
No problem.
Alright, so there's your camera. So you're hearing me clearly, I'm hearing you clearly.
Quite clearly.
Alright, nice. So this is how you do a Zoom call, a Zoom meeting using a USB mic. In this case, you're using the Samsung Q2U, USB and XLR mic, but we're using it in the USB mode. So Chelsea, thanks for being part of this experiment, tutorial, review, whatever it may be. Thanks for being a part. So that was a quick tutorial on how to use the Samsung Q2U for Zoom calls and for recording in Audacity, recording voiceovers or whatever it may be in Audacity. So thanks again for viewing. It's Renaldo. Please feel free, if you enjoyed this, you enjoyed the content, it brought some value to you, feel free to hit the like button, hit that subscribe button as well. And which microphone you currently using, or what do you use for your Zoom calls? What do you use to record your voiceovers? Thanks for viewing again. Much love. Peace.